Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I wanted to show you guys some of my skincare because I ask you guys all the time what kind of videos you want to see on this channel, and I get lots and lots of requests for skincare. So actually I wanted to break it down. I don't want to just like throw all of my skincare at you because there are like there's just so much that's involved in skincare, and this would just be a really long video if I tried to include it all in there, and I don't know if you guys like long videos or not. So I'm just going to switch things up and give you guys a bit of a shorter video today and see how you like it. Leave me a comment down below. Do you prefer long videos or short videos? Today I'm talking about my rescue remedies for my skin because my skin needs it. I've broken out so badly, so I'm using a little rescue remedy. I'm looking at it because it's over there. It's like my baby. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna show you guys. This is my Sand and Sky pink clay mask for detoxifying and brightening my skin. It's just been looking really dull lately, this cold weather. Something about the cold weather, just something about winter. I've just been eating so much junk food this whole month. Like the whole of December like wrecks my skin. So I wanna, you know, go back to summer skin, go back to when I was glowing, go back to when I was in my element. Like I'm called Lana Summer for a reason. It's my favorite season. If you guys are interested in checking out Sand and Sky, then definitely take a look at my description box for the links and discount codes, because I have a lot of discount codes, you guys, and I really hope you guys are using them because I can save you money. So I use this like 2 to 3 times a week because I have combination to oily skin. If you have normal skin, then you can use this maybe one or two times a week.
So I'm definitely suffering from enlarged pores at the moment, especially on my nose and T-zone. I've also got bags under my eyes and I'm breaking out around my mouth, which is hormonal, and everywhere else, which is obviously down to all of this candy I've been eating this month. So I just need to fix this entire situation right here. I'm going to start off by thoroughly cleansing my skin, just making sure there's absolutely no makeup or residue or any kind of product whatsoever on my skin. And then I'm going to take my Sand and Sky mask onto the brush that comes with the pack. So this little brush right here, it comes with the pack, and it just really helps it to glide onto your skin. It's so soft, so soft. I love it. And also it's just really helpful. Like it can get like right in around the corners of my nose, and I can get like right in close to my eyes and that kind of thing. Just makes this whole process really easy and just really clean. I don't get the mask all over my hands and everything like that, so it's just really helpful. And then once you have applied it all over, you just need to let it dry. So this is vegan, it's cruelty free, it's SLS free, paraben free. It's got tons of really natural ingredients that I will list right down the side here. So I'm just gonna let that all soak into my skin. I'm kind of looking like Lord Voldemort right now, aren't I? I'm really sorry if you guys are scared of masks. I had to show you it drying because it's going to turn white, and then that's when you know it's fully dry. So then you just want to rinse that off. So I'm taking lukewarm water onto a microfiber towel, microfiber flannel, to wash this off. So I'm just going to wash this off really gently. And as you can see on my nose right here, you see like it was drawing the gunk out of my pores. I could actually see that happening. And then when it's all off, my skin feels so smooth and soft. I'm so happy with it. And I feel like it visibly looks brighter, doesn't it? Like I feel like it looks brighter. I can't stop touching it. Stop touching your face, girl. You want acne? So then, yeah. So my pores feel tighter, they look smaller, and I feel like my eye bags seem to be less dark. I've lost some redness around those pimples. This pimple is stuck, but that one's not budging. And I just feel like my skin is really improved by using this 2 or 3 times a week.
My skincare routine has changed dramatically since last year, and especially since the year before that, when I used to have like really like the worst acne of my life. So yeah, I will share the rest of my skincare with you just to show you how I've improved it. Obviously, I know that my skin is not perfect. It's so far from perfect, but for me, it's so much better than anything I've had in years. Like I've always had acne ever since I was like a young teenager, ever since I was like 11, 12. That's not even a teenager, that's literally a child. I've always had acne, and it got so bad like a couple of years ago, and I've been kind of trying to combat it ever since. So this is pretty much the best for me that I have ever got, and I'm still on a journey, but this is definitely helping. Doing masks like this is definitely helping, and I will show you guys the rest of my routine as well, so make sure that you stick around. I am posting videos every single day in January, and I am excited, nervous, anxious, because it's gonna be stressful, but it's gonna be fun. And I really hope that you guys can stick around and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss it. In case you guys didn't know, this is the sunbeams. Everybody, like, look below in those comments. These are sunbeams. They light up my life. My subscribers are the nicest, the friendliest. So join them, subscribe, comment, help each other out. Like, I love seeing you guys help each other out. Like, you guys are so helpful to each other. It's so lovely and heartwarming to watch. And you guys are always so nice to me. And that's the reason why I feel so comfortable talking about things like my skin to you guys, because you are always so nice and encouraging and supportive. Join that family, join the sunbeams. Let's get it. I don't know what we're getting, but we're getting something, and we're gonna go into 2018 glowing, and 2018 is gonna be lit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.